When you buy the all is plate, the quality is different. Some plates the quality is much better and much stronger and use the longer. While you sometimes you buy the quality is very easy to chip and the customer use is break easy and your kitchen to washing is very hard. This is very important for ceramic plate. So today we will let you know how to check the porcelain and the ceramic. While your restaurant use the very easy to chip the plate. So please don't miss our next video. In the end we will show everyone a famous plate and let you know how to check which quality is good. Hi, here is rongroup. I'm Ron. This video is to share everyone the restaurant from the floor plan to design, then put the product and how to operation your restaurant. We do the more than 15 years for restaurant product. Now we share to everyone. If everyone interested, please put the favorite and like and pay attention for us. Now very important, we enter into how to check the porcelain and the ceramic. First, the outside looking. If the porcelain, you look much lighting and the color and the top, the face is look much beautiful and a little bit heavier because all inside he put in the oven is much better than the normal. The ceramic is little bit light. The dot together is not very tight and also the top looks not smooth and rough. Second, the temperature. The porcelain temperature is more than 1280 degrees, but normal ceramic only 800 to 1100 degrees. So it's big difference. It's 200 difference, but make the plate is much strong or not strong. The third, the raw material. The porcelain raw material roughly the 4,000 RMB per ton, but ceramic one only half, 2,000. So the dot and the material, porcelain is very small dot, but ceramic is big. That is why he put together porcelain can all is one pieces. Ceramic easy to break the problem. Number 4, you use the time. For normally business restaurant, we use the one plate, it must be more than 1 year. So the porcelain is your best choice. Ceramic one is normally used in the home. His temperature is lower and the price is cheaper. Finally, let we check and porcelain and ceramic again. And his very big difference is the quality is big difference. And the porcelain is much stronger. Ceramic is very easy to work. So if you do the business, please use the porcelain. Our company have the chip-proof porcelain plate. Chip-proof one can give you lifetime warranty, no chips. So you can use the different place. If you use it in the home, and normally you can use the ceramic is okay. And how much you pay? But we suggest you can use the porcelain. Next video, we will show everyone how to in the plate put much more beautiful the food. Let your small pasta can sell very expensive the price and let your restaurant increase 300% in 1 month. If you want to know more than restaurant product and how to operation your restaurant and how to put your restaurant the plate, furnitures and the cutlery, glassware, welcome to add our WhatsApp and check in under our website to know more than all restaurant product. Thank you.